In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add account to Microsoft Authenticator without QR code. This is perfect if you can't scan a code on your phone or the website only gives you a setup key. By the end, you'll have your account added securely using a manual code. Start by opening the Microsoft Authenticator app on your phone. If it prompts you to update or sign in, take a moment to do that so everything syncs correctly and you can back up your accounts later if needed. On the main screen, look to the top right and tap the plus icon. That's how you add a new entry in the app. You'll be asked what kind of account you're adding. Choose the type that matches the service you're setting up. For a personal Microsoft login, pick Microsoft account. For an organization, choose work or school account. If you're adding another service, like a website that gives you a setup key for an Authenticator app, pick the option for other accounts. Selecting the right type helps the app label and handle the account correctly. Instead of scanning a QR code, look to the bottom of the screen and tap enter code manually. This switches the app to manual setup mode. You'll need the information provided by the website or service you're securing, usually called a setup key, secret key, or manual entry key. It's often shown on the site wherever it offers two-step verification with an Authenticator app, typically near a link that says something like can't scan or enter code manually. Keep that key private and copy it exactly as shown. Now enter your details, give the account a clear name so you recognize it later, like the service name and the purpose. Paste or type the setup key carefully. If there's an option for time-based versus counter-based codes, leave it on time-based unless the service explicitly says otherwise. Some keys are case sensitive, and extra spaces can cause errors, so double check before you finish. When everything looks right, tap Finish or Add. You should immediately see a new 6-digit code for that account that refreshes every 30 seconds. That means the setup worked. To be sure, go back to the website or app you're securing and complete its verification step using the current code shown in Microsoft Authenticator. If you see an invalid key message, confirm you chose the correct account type, re-enter the key without spaces, and make sure your phone's date and time are set automatically so codes stay in sync. That's it. Your account is now added without using a QR code.